Inserting a table. In Word 2016, you can insert a table by following the given steps. Step 1. Open Word 2016. Step 2. Open the document in which you want to add a table or create a new document. Step 3. Place the cursor where you want to insert the table. There are many ways to insert a table in Word. Using Graphic Grid. To create a table using Graphic Grid, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Table drop-down arrow in Tables group. A table drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click on the top left corner of the grid and drag the mouse to highlight the number of columns and rows you want in the table. When you release the mouse button, the table appears in the document and two new tabs appear on the ribbon. They are Design and Layout. The Design tab is used to style the table by adding shading to some rows and columns. Select a border style, size and color and many other options that control the look of the table. On the Layout tab, you can change the height and width of cells, rows or columns, insert or delete additional rows and columns and merge cells. Using Insert Table option. This option lets you insert a table by selecting numbers of rows and columns. To insert the table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Table drop-down arrow in Tables group. Step 3. Click on Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Step 4. Enter the number of columns and rows you want in the table. Step 5. Click OK button. The table appears in the document. Using Quick Table option. This option lets you insert built-in table templates in the document. Templates are pre-formatted design files in a software or program. These tables are the type of tables which are commonly used for calendar, list of things, etc. To insert a quick table, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Table drop-down arrow in Tables group. Step 3. Select Quick Tables from drop-down menu. Step 4. Select the table template according to your choice. The table appears in your document. Entering data in a table. To enter data in a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Click in the cell and start typing. Step 2. To move to the next cell, press the Tab key.